Tanishka here. Welcome back to my channel Arman Tanishka Vibes. So in this video I will tell you that how can we organize our study table. So as you can see that this whole table is unorganized and now we will organize it. So now let's get started. So here I am taking and keeping them properly. And in this box I have put in some sticky notes, some color pen and this stapler and this pen, and we will keep it this here, and this is earphone and phone. And this, so I have organized it. It is there. Here are my some books and copies and diary and this dictionary and box and this pen and pencil holder, scale, phone, earphone and this box and this some colors and some registers. And this dictionary is compulsory because sometimes we have problems in some words. And this is the map of, this is physical map of India and this one is political, and it helps me in my geography work with some lab activities here. Now this table. So here are my some documents which ma'am gave. In this my documents are there which I get from my school, some timetable or project, and in this I am having my documents papers. And so this is atlas and it is very compulsory for studying about the maps. And these are some diaries. We can write anything here in it. So here are my some novels which I am reading. Little Woman, Nancy Drew, Harry Potter, and this one is Harry Potter. It is my favorite. And here are some more novels, and this is one decorative item. And in this table here is my bag, school bag, and this is a code board and it is written, let your dreams take flight. And here are some lights for decoration. So this was my video on study table organization. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.